Alright, so I am now going to test the transmission fluid. And can you hand me the napkin? Clean napkin, right? Nothing on it. I'm pulling transmission fluid out. And now I'm going to just put the tip of it on here. See that? That should be red. That's not red.
Yeah.
That's full of grit. Can you see it? Can you see it as like darker?
Yeah, it looks black.
Yeah, it's black. So I'm gonna do it again with fresh transmission oil. Actually, can you pause that?
Yes.